Classic Filipino dish ang adobong sitaw with baboy, but in this adobong baboy with sitaw recipe, melt in your mouth tender yan po ang bida. Magpainit ng isang wide pan at ilagay ang pork belly. Isang kotsa ito until lightly browned at mag-render ng fat. Ilagay ang shallots at saute until softened. Isunod ang garlic at i-continue ang paggisa until softened and aromatic. Add the vinegar and boil uncovered and without stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes to cook off the strong acid taste. Ibuhos ang soy sauce and water at maglagay rin ng peppercorns and bay leaves to enhance ang aroma and flavor ng adobo. Stir in Maggi oyster sauce for a touch of tamis linamnam. Bring to a boil and skim off any foam that rises on top. Cover, hinaan ng apoy, and simmer for about 50 to 60 minutes or until the meat is pork tender and the sauce is reduced. Kung masabaw pa pero malambot na ang pork, alisin ang takip para mag-evaporate ang liquid quickly. Ilagay ang sitaw or long beans at adjust ang timpla with salt and pepper if needed. Takpan and cook for an additional 3 to 5 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Check occasionally at haluin para hindi manikit. Napakadali at napakasarap nitong pork adobo with oyster sauce and string beans. Sigurado ang extra rice nito kaya magsaing ng doble. Enjoy!